Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some embellishments that I'm going to be sending my pen pal. Her name is Lindsay. You guys, if you guys saw my video of the unboxing of what she sent me, I just want to show you what I'm going to be sending her because I'm going to put it in the box. So this one is a traveler's notebook that I made. Same size. It's always going to be like a 4x8. And then I laminated this with a 3mm laminating sheet. And then just plain on the inside. And I used the Paige Evans Horizon Collection for this one. So just the front, it says Wanderlust. Let's get lost. So that's a good one. So that she can, use it as a traveler's notebook or to make lists. This one I tried to do a shaker. I'm not very good at shakers, but this is my first attempt to do some shakers. So I hope she likes that. Got some pom-poms that I wanted to share. I have these that are already in the packaging. So those are like some surprise things that's already wrapped. So this I just put the stuff inside the vellum and stitched it and added this tag, some goodies on the inside. So most of the stuff that I used is going to be from the Horizon collection, and some of it will come also from the Pick Me Up. So there's going to be some stuff inside, some goodies on the inside. I thought some of them could be hidden just for the surprise factor. I'm trying to find a box that's going to fit the goodies. So we'll see how that works out. So that's going to be one part. And then these are some more stuff inside the vellum. So I put some sequins in there because I thought it's going to make it cute. And these are bag toppers. So it would be fun to open that up. Here's the bulk of the embellishments that I made. I just packaged them. And I just put a little bit of foam dot in the back just to secure it during transport. But I hope she likes these layered embellishments. Here's another big one. Here's a globe. I love making these globes because they're so pretty. You can put them anywhere. And then next one is just some layered goodies. Here's a bag topper with a lot of layered stuff. And this one is a little bit of surprise with a shaker in the front. And here's, I love this. This is super cute. It's like a cupcake. Adorable. This is just a stitch envelope. As you can see, it's very wonky. Not an expert stitcher. Here's a card. And here's just a medallion inspired by Maggie Holmes. Another envelope. A butterfly embellishment. A camera embellishment. The die I got from AliExpress. And a stick inspired by, I think this is inspired by Dear Lizzie. And then this one is some heart embellishments. That was inspired by Maggie Holmes. And of course, coffee cups are my favorite. And then there's two more, and then I'm done. Some more coffee cups, some more globes, envelopes, and a butterfly medallion right here. And then the last one would be another coffee cup, and then a camera, and another globe one. So that's it for all the goodies I'm going to be sending her. I hope she likes it. Lindsay, I hope you like it. Take care, guys. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye.